When do you need to buy a new router? Routers are an essential part of our daily lives. They help us connect to the internet and allow us to access all kinds of information and entertainment. However, like any other electronic device, routers can wear out over time and may need to be replaced. In this video, we will discuss when you need to buy a new router. 1. Slow internet speeds. One of the most common signs that you need a new router is slow internet speeds. If your internet connection is slow, it could be due to a variety of reasons, including outdated hardware. Routers have a limited lifespan, and as they age, their performance can degrade. If you notice that your internet speeds are slower than usual, it may be time to consider purchasing a new router. 2. Frequent disconnections. Another sign that you need a new router is frequent disconnections. If your router keeps disconnecting from the internet or your devices, it could be due to a faulty router. Over time, the internal components of a router can wear out, leading to connectivity issues. If you find yourself constantly having to reset your router or experiencing dropped connections, it's time to start shopping for a new one. 3. Outdated technology. Technology is constantly evolving and routers are no exception. If you have an older router, it may not be able to keep up with the latest technology and standards. For example, if your router only supports 802.11g Wi-Fi, you may not be able to take advantage of the faster speeds offered by 802.11n or 802.11ac routers. If you want to future-proof your home network, it's a good idea to invest in a newer router that supports the latest technology. 4. Inadequate coverage. If you have a large home or office, you may find that your current router doesn't provide adequate coverage. This can lead to dead spots where you can't connect to the internet or weak signals that result in slow speeds. Upgrading to a newer router with better coverage can help eliminate these issues and provide a more reliable connection throughout your home or office. 5. Security concerns. Security is an important consideration when it comes to routers. Older routers may not have the latest security features, leaving your network vulnerable to attacks. If you're concerned about the security of your home network, it's a good idea to upgrade to a newer router that includes features like WPA3 encryption and automatic firmware updates. 6. Multiple devices. If you have multiple devices connected to your home network, you may find that your current router can't keep up. Older routers may not be able to handle the increased traffic from multiple devices, leading to slower speeds and dropped connections. Upgrading to a newer router with more processing power and better bandwidth management can help ensure that all of your devices can connect to the internet without any issues. 7. Router age. As mentioned earlier, routers have a limited lifespan. While some routers may last for several years, others may start to show signs of wear and tear after just a few years. If your router is several years old and you're experiencing connectivity issues or slow speeds, it may be time to replace it with a newer model. 8. New features. Newer routers often come with additional features that older models may not have. For example, some routers include built-in parental controls, guest networks, and USB ports for connecting external storage devices. If you're interested in these features, it may be worth upgrading to a newer router that includes them. 9. Price. While price shouldn't be the only factor you consider when purchasing a new router, it's still an important consideration. Routers can range in price from less than $50 to several $100. If you're on a tight budget, you may want to look for a mid-range router that offers a good balance of features and performance without breaking the bank. 10. Customer support. Finally, when purchasing a new router, it's important to consider the level of customer support offered by the manufacturer. If you run into any issues with your router, you want to be able to get help quickly and easily. Look for a manufacturer that offers good customer support, including phone and email support, online resources, and a warranty that covers any defects or issues with the router. In conclusion, there are many reasons why you may need to buy a new router. Whether you're experiencing slow speeds, frequent disconnections, or simply want to take advantage of the latest technology, upgrading to a newer router can help improve your internet experience. When shopping for a new router, consider factors like price, features, and customer support to ensure that you get the best possible device for your needs.